OB? OB, look at me. OB! OB, look at me. Oh, my baby. Sorry the light's so bright. Okay, doctor, should I bring him in? He hasn't been doing this a lot, but he was a little snuffly yesterday and now this today. That's my question. Okay, bye. This is Marty Behrens, by the way. Sorry.